I forgot to do my name is Jillian, this is Jillian Camps Arizona. I forgot to do the whole thing. Okay, for real, the wind can stop now. Good freaking Lord. It is so windy today. It's like 60-mile-per-hour sustained wind, I swear to God. My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Maxvital titanium steaks. I'm actually sponsored by the Maxvital company today, who sent me these steaks for free. So I thought we could do a little unboxing and kind of show you what they look like up close and how my initial thoughts are about these. I have not laid eyes on these yet, so I'd be very interested in seeing these for the first time. So it looks like it comes with 4 steaks. Again, I got these for free from the Maxvital company. Thank you very much for sending them to me. That was very thoughtful. So my initial thoughts are that these are titanium, true titanium steaks, which is very interesting. And it looks like they can hold up and they're extremely lightweight. And in order to make them lightweight, I feel like they punch these holes in them here. I don't know if you can see that there. See? But they punch the holes in there to make them lightweight. Again, they're just regular steaks, right? So they look kind of big for my tent, but they look like that they could also work well for, say, hiking in the Grand Canyon, which is probably what I'll be using them for. So the only issue I find is actually with the holes in the steaks. I know it's probably so that it could make them lighter weight, possibly stick in the ground further, but without these holes filled in, it does lessen the integrity of the steaks, making it possible for them to bend right here at this area. So we'll have to see if they'll hold up to the really harsh ground that Arizona provides, unfortunately. So we'll have to see about that. So, but it just comes in this little carrying case here. It doesn't have Maxvital on it. It does have Maxvital printed on each of the steaks, which is kind of neat. And then this is what they look like. They just have an orange pole to get them out of the ground, and away you go, basically. So these are very cool. So thank you, Maxvital, for sending these to me. I appreciate that. And they wanted me to post a review online, so I will be doing that as soon as we're done here. So anyway, so that is it. I want to say thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video, my first sponsored video, I'd like to point out. Feel free to hit that like button if you like this channel or you like this video and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.